Okay, 99 Jeep Grand Cherokee fuel tank leak fix part 2. Try to make it quick. That didn't work. I couldn't get to it. That little plug wasn't it. This little plug wasn't it. So I carefully drilled holes, used air shears, not a grinder, too dangerous by a gas tank. And I found that this little guy was leaking. It's a quick connect that goes right there. I think it's low pressure. So high pressure fuel line, high pressure. And I drilled a little hole right here and did a zip tie and a wire just to hold that so it wouldn't slip off. And that's it. Make sure you get a heavy gauge steel and screw this all back down with something, a plate. Cover that, do the same there, and then seal it all with a real good glue.